Hello and welcome to Alex 3D Works. Today we will build a case for our ESP32. Let's start opening a sketch. Then selecting the XY plane. Create a rectangle 52 mm per 26 mm and then close the sketch. Press Pad button with 2 mm length. Now click on the top face and then open a new sketch. Press the Create External Geometry button. Click on all external lines. Now we'll create two rectangle 3 mm per 48 mm, using the bottom left and the top left corner as point of origin. You can see that is fully constrained. Now close the sketch, then press Pocket button and then OK. Click on the top face again, open a new sketch, click on the Create External Geometry, and then on all external lines. After doing that, we will create the external walls. Create a new rectangle that covers all angles. Now select the whole rectangle, then press the Offset Geometry tool, then put 1 mm. Close the sketch, then press on Pad tool, then 2 dimension on the Type section. Click on the reverse icon. First dimension, 25 mm, its second dimension, 6 mm. Click on the right section, then create a new sketch. Press the External Geometry tool and click on the internal lines. Create 1 dots measuring 9 mm from the top left corner and the same from the top right. Let's create a rectangle of 5 mm per 10 mm. Close the sketch and press Pocket tool and add 5 mm, then OK. Now we will create the holes for the wiring on the side. Click on a sidewall and create a new sketch, then press the External Geometry tool and click on the top and bottom line and the internal 2 side lines. We will create 2 rectangles. One will be the base for the second. The first rectangle is 4 mm per 52 mm. Then the second rectangle that will be 6 mm per 52 mm. This is not the correct method, but is good for now. We will cancel the first rectangle, close the sketch. Now press the Pocket tool on the Type section, click on Through All. You can see now the hole is in both sides. Let's introduce another tool, the Fillet tool. Click on the depth line connecting a corner. Then click on OK. This is the end of our first tutorial for FreeCAD. Stay tuned for part 2, where we will add the supports and print our design.